Hi, Sam here from Future Riders. Today we've got the Amped A20 Pro with us and we're going to do a short video on how to replace the rear motor if you should ever need to. Tools that you're going to need a 4mm Allen key and a light lump hammer just to knock the motor out the hub. Let's get to it and show you how to get on. So, rear wheels off. If you're not too sure on how to remove the rear wheel on your Amped A20 Pro, we do have another video showing you how to do so. So jump back to that, then hop back to here and we'll continue showing you how to remove the rear motor. First things first, on the motor side, there's a washer. You're going to want to remove that washer, put it somewhere safe so you don't lose it. We'll flip it over to the other side, and then we've got the disc guard and the caliper mount. We'll remove that. We'll come over to the motor side, find somewhere sort of level, or find a way of mounting the wheel down so it's nice and steady. And then you're going to grab a 4mm Allen key and you're just going to crack each one off and undo it. So they're all undone. What we're going to do is flip the motor around to the side. I'm going to grab our hammer, just give it a little tap, and the motor's out. As simple as that. So once the motor's out, it's probably a good idea just to have a look inside the hub, check for any debris, any broken bits of plastic off the hub or off the motor, should I say. Make sure it's clean. You might want to re-grease it as well. It's probably a good idea to do so. You don't want too much in there, but enough to obviously keep it lubricated. And then obviously put your new motor in. Okay, so let's put the new motor in. So when you're putting it in, just make sure everything's lined up square. You might find a little bit of resistance. So if you do find a little bit of resistance, what that is the splines on the motor cogs catching on the splines on the hub. So you might just need to give it a little twist one way or the other until it sits in perfect. Okay. Once you've got it in place, it's time to start putting the bolts back in. So nice and easy. Probably best to start them off with your fingers. Pop them all in. So what we're going to do, now we've got them in, we're going to tighten them up opposite from each other, just ensuring that the motor sits square. So one, they don't need to be overly tight either, we're not hanging off them, just nipping them up. So they're all nipped. Again, I'm just going to go opposite and just ensure that they're nice and tight. Again, not hanging off them. Perfect. So once that's done, all you need to do now is install it back on the bike and test that it works. So there we have it. How to remove and how to fit a motor on the Amped A20 Pro. If you'd like to see any more videos on the Amped A20 Pro or any other models in the Amp range, drop a message in the comments below and we'll see what we can do for you, and hopefully we can get a video sorted. You can also contact us via our website. We've got a WhatsApp number, we've got an email address and obviously an office phone line as well. Thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.